Hi everyone, and welcome to Zeo Route Planner tutorials. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unlink a store owner from the app. This is helpful if a store owner is no longer associated with your business or if you need to temporarily or permanently disconnect from a fleet. Let's get started. Go to My Profile. Now select the Connections button. Here you'll see 4 sections. Invites shows invitations from fleet owners. Linked shows the fleets you are currently connected to. Disconnected shows fleets you've temporarily disconnected from. Blocked shows fleet owners you have blocked. To temporarily unlink from a fleet, click on the blue link icon next to the fleet owner's name. Once unlinked, this fleet owner will no longer be able to send you route requests. Go to Disconnected tab to link the fleet owner again using the same blue icon. If you want to block the fleet owner, select the red disconnect icon. This will block the connection completely. To unblock, go to Blocks tab and select Unblock. All of this was simple and quick. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Zeo tutorials.